Very good morning, students. Welcome back to second year physics. See, in the previous class, actually we finished about a Kirchhoff laws. Along with a Kirchhoff laws, Wheatstone bridge also finished. That is for LAQ. Now come to the point is, see, another experiment is there. That is, the experiment is meter bridge experiment. Of course, it is there in the practicals also. In practical also, we have this experiment. Sir, what is the meter bridge? Actually, meter bridge works on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. See, first point I want to say, this meter bridge works on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. That is, a P by Q is equal to R by S. Sir, what is the use of the meter bridge and how it is to be constructed? Of course, I'll tell you before that. See, in meter bridge, this is used to find, we can determine unknown resistance of a given material. See, they will give you one resistor of a wire, then we can find a resistance of the given material is the one. Second point, this is used to measure the specific resistance of the given material. Specific resistance or resistivity rho, yes, we can get by using a meter bridge. And come to the point is, we can also calculate the series in parallel combinations also. That's what series combination as well as parallel also we can. So like this we have uses of meter bridge. Sir, what is a meter bridge? So meter bridge is nothing but it is consist of a wooden plank. It is consist of a one wooden plank. See, on the wooden plank, I'll show you one. This is like you take a one wooden plank, like a plank. So above the wooden plank, the end of the wooden plank, there will be a two L-shaped metal frames are fixed. L-shaped metal frames are there, that is to be fixed on the wooden plank, and other end also same, it is to be L-shaped metal frames. Right, it is about a L-shaped metal frames are to be fixed on the wooden plank. And here in meanwhile, there is a mean at the end, at the mean is or at the center is another metal, straight metal frame or it is to be fixed. So ultimately we will get the two gaps. One is the right gap, one more is the left gap. That I will draw you the diagram about a meter bridge. Everyone concentrate, which is very easy. It is there in the practicals as well as in our IPE. On this basis we have a problems also in our material, in our Telugu Academy textbook. Let us, the wooden plank, on the wooden plank there are two L-shaped metal frames are to be fixed like this. Ultimately at the end it is, at the end of the, I mean to say at the end of a wooden plank, it is to be like this. This is the L1 metal frame and it is another L2 metal frame, and between these two there is a one straight strip is fixed. You say, see, when it is fixed between these two, therefore we'll get the two gaps. One gap is the left gap, another gap is the right. If I say like this, it is a right gap and it is a left gap. Your wish you say, so that there will be a two gaps and which is fixed on the wooden plank, and the end of this metal, I mean L shape, you say A and B, and there will be a 1 meter wire is stretched between the 2 points. 1 meter, the wire should be 1 meter. The wire is to be, it is maybe manganine or maybe constant or maybe nichrome. So why these are used? Because if I use this, therefore that mean here when temperature is changes, then also it maintains a constant resistance or resistivity. Apart from this material, if I use other one, there will be what happens, temperature is changes, then resistance and resistivity also changes, so that we will not get the current readings. Here we need to find a resistance to given unknown wire. Now let us come to the point is, from the end A, there is a battery of EMF is connected along with a key is to be connected like this. This is the battery of EMF and it is a key. Key means a switch. And come to the point. From C point, there will be a galvanometer, capital G, and high resistance HR, and here jockey J is connected. So what is the jockey J? Jockey in the sense is like pen only. So like pen, this galvanometer, high resistance, jockey are in the series. and these are connected to the point C. This is the construction. Remember, this is the construction. We can construct by using. They will not give you we need to connect, right? They will give you all wires and all that bridge, whatever it is required is there, they will give you, and we need to connect this all. So now there are two gaps are there, and here we need to find a given resistance. Suppose there is a one wire is given, that is an unknown resistance. You connect either in the gap, this gap, or you connect in the G1 gap, or you connect in the G2 gap, anywhere you connect. Suppose the given resistor of wire is connected in the one gap, that is we can call unknown resistance capital R, and we need to find this resistance. This is we need to find. And here another gap is empty. Here we should connect a known resistance, we can call as the resistance box. This is the known, you say S. Known means it is for this box actually they will give you like this, the resistance box will be like this. See, for this will be, it is shows like resistors. See, they will give you like this. What are this? Like all pins. This is 2 ohm, like 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 10 ohm, 15 ohm, 20 ohm. That will be like this on the wooden box. Suppose you want to use a 2 ohm in this, then you remove this pin. If you remove that pin, therefore that we are using in the experiment. That's what we can call, it is a known resistance S. Known resistance. In the resistance box they will provide, or there will be known resistance or resistors are there. So in the problems they will say use a 4 ohm, then you remove this 4 ohm pin. That means here we are using the 4 ohm. Suppose they will give you a like 10 ohm use, then use a 10 ohm, that you remove a pin. Then ultimately we are using in this experiment 10 ohm. Like this it is, we can say. This is the construction of meter bridge. Sir, after connecting the wires, the given connectors, sir, whether the connections are correct or not, that is also we need to find. How? Here, see, after connecting this, very simple issue, I will tell you. This jockey is actually, it is the jockey is there, no? It is now, it is empty. It is the open circuit because current is not at all flowing. Is there any current flowing? No. And come to the point is, now we need to check the connections are correct or not. So that, let us, you close the key. Now you close the key this. Therefore there will be a current flows. This is the metal frame. Of course it reaches to the resistance box, and it reaches to this and come from here and reaches the galvanometer. That galvanometer actually pointer shows like this, right? 0, like 10, 15, 20, like this. Again 10, 15, like this will be there. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like, and 1, 2, 3, 4 like, right? So this is maybe like this. Which one? This is the galvanometer. The pointer is, it is deflected both sides, either left side and either right side also. Left and right it can deflect. Now let us, now we need to check the experimental verification now. Suppose if jockey is, it is only current flowing and it reaches to jockey, till jockey, then also the circuit is open, because there is no current flow, no. This shows, this does not shows any reading. If I pressed on the meter bridge, meter wire, or the bridge on the wire, therefore the galvanometer shows a reading. Then only we can, the circuit is closed. There it is to be current is stopped. That means here, if I pressed at a right side, this jockey is pressed at a right side. Therefore this galvanometer reading, if I pressed a right side, therefore this galvanometer pointer, it must be shows towards a left. When it is pressed at a right, jockey is pressed at a right, therefore this galvanometer shows opposite to the jockey. If it is pressed a right, therefore this pointer which shows left side. If I pressed at this, therefore this pointer shows a, then only connections are correct, otherwise the connections are wrong. This is the verification. Sir, after connecting, after verification, now what we need to find? Of course, such simple issue. Now we are pressing at a left or right, therefore that galvanometer shows to opposite to the pressing of jockey. And there is a one precaution. You don't drag it on the wire. This one, jockey, you don't drag it. If you drag it, what happens? It may be resistance is changes. Because if I am dragging, due to the friction, what happens? Again, there will be a heat produces, it may be changes. So to avoid dragging, because don't drag it, just you put it like this and you remove. Like you put another place and you remove it, that's all. But you don't drag it on the meter bridge wire. Now come to the point is, now we need to find a R value. No? R is nothing but a unknown resistance. In this P by Q is equal to R by S. No? You write the expression capital R is equal to S into P by Q, that's all. We know S because it is a known resistor we are using. In the resistance box we are using the known that they will give you, but we don't know P and Q. If you know the P and Q, after knowing the P and Q, there you substitute, get the capital R. How we'll get? Let us see. When jockey is pressing, no, suppose if I press it at left side, therefore galvanometer shows the right side. Slowly you do one thing, you move from left to right. So you press it different places at a one place. Because when you are pressing and you are moving towards the right, therefore the galvanometer pointer also moves towards say left side or opposite to the moving jockey. Because at a one place, definitely this pointer shows a 0. The pointer shows a 0. So that at that point you note as the reading is L1. That means here the total bridge wire length is 1 meter. 1 meter in the sense is 100 centimeter, right? So if I know this length is L1, then remaining part is what happens? It is 100 minus L1, you say, remaining part. Therefore, P directly proportional to, you say, L1 and Q directly proportional to 100 minus L1. So, the R is equal to S into L1 by 100 minus L1 it is. This is about a unknown resistance to find. Sir, what is the use of high resistance? High resistance is nothing but usually high resistance is protect the galvanometer. High resistance is always connected to the galvanometer in series. So when high resistance is connected to the galvanometer, therefore it protects the galvanometer from high currents, because usually galvanometer is a sensitive instrument. If there is a high current flows, if there is a high current flow through the galvanometer, therefore this galvanometer it may be damages, it gets damages because of high currents. To avoid the damages, therefore there we need to connect a high resistance. Therefore, that high resistance is protect the galvanometer from high currents. Very simple it is. Very simple issue. So, this is an experiment related to the meter bridge experiment. As it is there in the practical examination. Practical purpose also same issue. Once you go through the diagram, right? This is the experiment. You see the diagram and look at everything. I told you each and every part. What is high resistance, what is galvanometer, what is jockey, and what is battery, and what is the wire is to be connected, that is a meter bridge. 1 meter, the wire is stretched between the 2 points. Clear? This wire is made of with a manganine or a constant or a nichrome, and there will be a 2 gaps. One gap is connected as unknown, one gap is connected as known resistor. So we need to find a unknown resistor, and we can also find specific resistance. So that there is a formula capital R is equal to S into P by Q. Then P will get by pressing this jockey on the meter bridge wire. At a one point this galvanometer shows a 0 deflection. Note down the length as a balancing length, because at that point is balanced, no 0. That's what I told you in the Wheatstone bridge. Balancing condition, that means galvanometer shows a 0 deflection. At a one point that shows a 0 deflection when the bridge is balanced. Here also same, because the galvanometer is showing 0. That means it is what? There it is to be current is 0. At the point is current is stopped. The length we can take as the balancing length. That is you note as P directly proportional to L1. Of course it is a meter bridge, no? Meter wire. Remain part is what happens? 100 minus L1, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So remain part you write 100 minus L1. So that P directly proportional to L1. Remain part is you take as Q directly proportional to 100 minus L1. Therefore, R is equal to S into L by L1 by 100 minus L1. This is about a experimental verification. And come to the point is, in this meter bridge, see there are some drawbacks are there. Sir, what are the drawbacks? Of course, I'll show you one thing. See, drawback is nothing but this bridge is, it's not a suitable bridge. It's not a suitable bridge. To get low resistance as well as the high resistance we cannot find. Why? Because the issue is, if the wire should be 1 meter, if it is to be 1 meter, then we can get both the low resistance as well as the high resistance. But the wire is, it's more than 1 meter. How, sir? Because the wire is, it is fixed between the 2 points, no? So that this wire only I am saying 1 meter, no? But inside the screws, there are some wire is to be binded, no? There is a binding of wire is there inside the screw. That means it is what? The wire is, it is more than 1 meter. If it is more than 1 meter, how will get the low resistance and I will get the high resistance? It is impossible. This is the main drawback. Clear, no? There is a drawback is there. By using this meter bridge, we cannot get a low resistance as well as we cannot get the high resistance, because there will be a, what happens, more than it is 1 meter wire is there, it is fixed between the 2 points. More than 1 meter, so that we cannot get the low resistance as well as we cannot get the high resistance also by using this meter bridge. Clear, no? Okay, and come to the point is, see, when here it is, one more I will tell you. Okay, no? And come to the point is, in meter bridge experiment, if there is a metallic conductor is placed, suppose if I say, instead of taking resistor, if I connect a metallic conductor in the left gap, if it is connected in the left gap and it is to be heated, therefore the balancing point will shift it towards the right side. Here metallic conductor is connected and it is to be heated, therefore this balancing condition shifted towards the right side if the metallic conductor is connected in the left gap. And come to the point is, if semiconductor is connected in the left gap only, left gap, if it is to be semiconductor is connected, again it is to be heated, therefore there will be a balancing shift is shifted towards the left only. These are the 2 points, everyone remember. The first point I am telling, in this left gap there will be a metallic conductor is connected, in the left is connected, in the left is connected metallic conductor, you say metallic conductor, right? If it is to be connected in the left gap, so that in the left gap and it is to be heated, therefore the balance point is shifted towards the right, it is shifted. If I say semiconductor is connected in the left gap only, again you say left gap only, and it is to be heated, therefore the balance point is shifted towards the left only. So this is very, very important. If metallic conductors and if semiconductors are connected, therefore it is to be heated, there will be a balancing point is shifted towards the left is semiconductor, towards the right is metallic conductor is connected. So which is the related to the meter bridge, right? In our material, I think it is not given, mostly it is not given, I think so, but this is there in the I think so in the Telugu Academy textbook is this question was given. So once you go through the question materials, I mean your this thing, which one, Telugu Academy textbook, in that is given, but on this basis we have some problems. Clear? So once I want to check in the last, it may be sometimes they give you last in the last. I don't know exactly whether they given or not. Of course, they are not given, no problem. You refer from your Telugu Academy textbooks. If anyone is have material Telugu Academy textbook, use that Telugu Academy textbook and you refer from Telugu Academy textbooks. Clear? Okay? And here, come to the point. See, on the basis of this, let us actually, we have some problems, so that that problems will do. Okay, in the next class we'll do the problems, and as well as the continuation topics also is there, that I'll continue in the next class, right? On the Wheatstone bridge also we have some problems, so that we'll do both Wheatstone bridge and as well as the meter bridge also by using this. Yeah, of course it's given, fine, it is given 198 page number. This question was given 198 page number. Question number 16. Describe an experiment of determination of unknown resistance of a wire with a meter bridge. So the diagram, everything is same. Once you look at it, this is the diagram. So this is given, the question which was given in the year of 2011 March. So once you refer also, no problem, by using this. Okay, there are some problems also on the basis of this, so that we'll continue the class in the next class. So this is about today's class, right? So thank you very much. We'll see you in the next class.